Buenos dias, Cuarto Amarillo and PK3. How are you today? Today I wanted to share a recipe. I am making flour tortillas for the first time, and I wanted to share. It's a special memory of mine, and I wanted to share with you, and it's very simple to make. I used to make it with my mom when I was a little child, and I thought maybe you'd want to make it, and children might want to make it. So to start off, you need 2 cups of flour. That's 2 cups of flour. And you would need either olive oil or butter. And you need the amount of that, you need 3 tablespoons of that. That's the ingredients. And then you need a half a teaspoon of salt. So first you get a bowl, like I do. I have a bowl, which I'll show you in a minute. You add the 2 cups of flour, and then you add the dry ingredients of the half a cup a teaspoon. Following that, you get your olive oil if you choose to use, or your butter. And what you do is you kind of melt it, like I did. You get 3 cups. I use this little measuring spoon. It's a 3/4, but you're only going to use 3 tablespoons of it, and you add it into the dry ingredients. But before you add that in, you mix the flour and the salt really finely in the bowl. You mix it all, and then you add your 3 tablespoons of oil, olive oil or butter, and then you get water. 3/4 of a cup of water. That's 3/4. You add that in. When you're finished adding that all in, you start to knead it, and you make a big ball. I'm going to show you. I made a big ball. You have to knead it and knead it and knead it, kind of like you do with Play-Doh. So you just keep mushing it all together just like Play-Doh. I'm going to put this here. So you just, after you're done, you just get your ball and you just keep kneading it in the bowl till it's all put together. All of it like that. You just keep on kneading. Just have fun with it. And then when you're all done with that, you can get a surface board. You put flour and you roll it out with a rolling pin. Depending on what size you want, you start rolling. You're going to need extra flour on your surface, just like that. And I went ahead and I made it already. I rolled one out. You can make the size that you want. And then when you're done, you could kind of mush it together like this. And then I'm going to take you along in a minute, and I'm going to add it on the grill. My grill's been warming up, as you can see. And you cook it until it's done. Mommy and Daddy will help you with that part. You warm it up and you cook your flour tortilla, and you can make as many as you want. And so there's your recipe. Again, the recipe consists of this: 2 cups of flour, and you need a half a teaspoon of salt. That's your dry ingredients. You mix it all together, all of the flour and the salt in a bowl. After that, you get your 3 tablespoons of olive oil or butter, and you add that in. It's got to be melted, like thin. Following that, you put your 3/4 of a cup of water, and then you knead it all up like Play-Doh, all together. And then you roll it out on your board. You need flour again on your board, and you roll it out with a rolling pin. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use your hands and smush it and mash it and make a round circle or any shape that you would like. So son tortillas de harina. That's how you say them. And it's cooking, and you have to let it cook on the grill. And enjoy. Put something yummy in it, and I hope I explained the ingredients clear. This is the first time I'm doing a cooking project, so I wanted to share something that I'm going to do at home today. Again, I miss everybody in the yellow room, and enjoy your flour tortillas. Bye.